Ew, that's disgusting. I've lived here for 9 years and I've never seen it like this. Guys, this is crazy, okay? Look at this. You see that? That is the water level. Holy shit. Okay guys, Ryker's gonna go across. Are you ready?
No.
Okay.
Are you sure I'm going across?
Do it. Hey guys, ready? You can see what it's like to go across on the camera. I dare you to walk across the bridge.
What do I get?
A hug and a kiss.
I don't think I'd want that anyway. No!
Dude!
What?
Let's go! Follow it!
I don't have a chip.
Get it, get it, get it! Whoa! Woohoo! Victory! Well, that was the stream today. Hear the lovely thunder surrounding us. Mighty Thor has had a good day. We are soaking wet and heading back up to the house. Bye! Good afternoon, guys. It's the next day from the crazy rainstorm yesterday. It's raining again. It's like I live in fucking Seattle, man. I don't even know what's up with this. But I thought I'd take you down to see the stream again because it looks completely different. It's kind of insane. So here we go. Okay, guys, ready? Right here. This. Yep. That's where the stream was yesterday. Now it's there. Yesterday it was here. All that grass where it's run down, it was up there yesterday. It's crazy. So smooth. Look at this. This is crazy. I honestly thought there'd be like more water here. Like yesterday the water was all over this guy right here. You guys see that? That's a deer track. We get those a lot here. I promise, I pinky promise. Didn't make that with my fingers. That's an actual deer track. This morning I went paddleboarding with my family and my cousin from Argentina. It was so much fun. If you guys haven't been paddleboarding, you should totally try it. If you have been paddleboarding, tell me about it in the comments below. God, how do the vloggers fucking do this? My arm hurts. Just overall, it was great. It was great, guys. See you tomorrow. Mwah. Hope you're having a great day. Love you. Goodbye.